Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Off with some company news, the general public pool of investors in edutech company One and One will only receive 5,000 shares with a smaller percentage thereafter. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, One and One shared that the first 5,000 shares in the general public pool will be allotted and only 2.23% of the remaining shares requested thereafter. Teachers and trainers will receive up to 80,000 shares and 3.47% thereafter. Now, all applicants in the convertible loan pool and key partner group will receive their full allotment. One and One's IPO to raise $380 million closed on August 12. The date open to the market. The offer was 8 times oversubscribed. National Commercial Bank NCB Jamaica is set to raise up to $300 million. The sum will be mobilized through a private equity placement by way of the securitization of its credit card merchant voucher receivables. The transaction will be rated by Fitch Ratings Agency and placed in the international private placement market by Greyfell Capital Management. NCBJ says it's expected that the transaction will close by September 30 this year. Now to the markets today, the US dollar is being sold for an average $151.74. $116.53 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $178.66 for the pound, while it's costing an average $154.08 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index lost 5,339 points today, while the junior market index gained 23 points. Leading the advances were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Siboney Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and Berger Paints Jamaica, while among the decliners were Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Blue Power Group, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, and Tropical Battery. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.